Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Omotola Olaniyomo. I'm the current creative director at Gmoty Fashion and Style Academy. I want to welcome you specially to this YouTube channel because you're going to be learning a whole lot. So if you have not subscribed, go ahead right now, click on that subscription button. And you know what? You need to put on the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new video, you get to know. We're going to be learning a whole lot, crafts, DIY, sewing techniques, how to cut, how to sew, and a whole lot. In fact, I want to congratulate you for coming on board. So go ahead, enjoy yourself, check all our videos. You know what? Share generously. So I'm saying welcome again, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. If you're my returning subscribers, you know now you're my G. Welcome again. Thank you so much. This is a new year. I'm welcoming everyone. Thank you.